Hey children, it's Wednesday night and I'm going to help you with your homework. Again, we're continuing our, whatever it is I'm trying to say. We're continuing our theme of using the slope formula to find the slope. So on Monday we used it on points, and yesterday we used it on a graph, and tonight we're using it on a table. Okay, which is very similar to a graph because from a table you can also generate points just like you would from a graph. So when I see this table of x and y's, I actually know that all of these x and y's are really just points, which means I can just pick 2 points, and usually it's easy just to pick the first 2 points, 5 and 2, x1, y1, 5 and 4, x2, y2. And then I write my formula. You can go ahead and say it out loud so you can freak out whoever's around you. They're going to be like, why is she saying that? That's weird. You see that x? That x is weird. Okay, so now I'm going to plug in my values. y2 was 4, so 4 minus 2. x2 was 5, so 5 minus 5. Okay, you can probably see what's happening here. 4 minus 2 gives me 2, but 5 minus 5 gives me 0. And that's right, we cannot divide by 0, which means that the slope here is actually undefined. That's it. Okay, I'll go ahead and walk through, let's see. Let's go ahead and do number 6 together because I see lots of negatives there and you don't have a calculator, so some of you might be a little hesitant about this, but it's the exact same thing. So I'm going to write down 2 points, negative 6, negative 4, x1, y1, negative 5, negative 9, x2, y2. I write my formula, y2 minus y1, all divided by x2 minus x1. And then I plug in negative 9 minus a negative 4 divided by negative 5 minus a negative 6. Keep flip change. So I have 9 negatives and 4 positives, which means in the end I have 5 negatives. Keep flip change. I have 5 negatives and 6 positives, so in the end I have 1 positive, which means my slope is actually negative 5. That's an ugly 5. Let's fix that. Negative 5. Oh, that's a beautiful 5. Okay, you have 4 problems that I'm sure you can finish on your own. Go ahead, get to it. I will see you tomorrow.